Hi everybody, this is Neurotics, aka Nero, a user of extremehardware.net. I'm making this tutorial vid. We already did a ton of tweaks to our Windows 11 Home install. Now we're going to do some more. So the first thing is one that I left out of the original video, and is you can enable the dark color scheme if you go to Appearance and you uncheck both of these. Then you need to sign out and sign back in. And it is now in dark mode. And if you go to personalize, you can see that despite us not activating Windows, we have dark mode. We have full dark mode, so that's pretty cool. It should be here too. Yep. The next tweak is going to be we're going to do some stuff with BoostSpeed. So I'm going to open Tweak Manager. It's going to take a sec to open. Sorry for the wait. This virtual machine is slow. And for some reason this software likes to phone home or something before it'll start. So there we go, finally, Tweak Manager. So there's all kinds of tools built into BoostSpeed. There's disk defrag. They have a really good disk defragmenter. There's a file shredder, free space wiper. There is startup manager. So that's one thing that we're going to do that we haven't done. Let's see, where is startup applications? OneDrive. We're going to disable OneDrive. We don't want OneDrive running. That should get rid of it the next time it's rebooted. So what I want to show is that BoostSpeed is also basically a registry scanner. It's kind of like CCleaner, although it's a little more bulky. So you can do search for optimizations for disk space, performance, disk defrag, privacy. So we're going to just do all that now. And hopefully my new 9950X will do it quickly. So it also can optimize your internet speed. You don't have to apply all of what it finds. You can do it selectively. So for the internet items, I'm going to uncheck include internet in the repair, and I'm going to click resolve selected. Okay, it's asking me to close Microsoft Edge. That's bizarre. And now it's doing it again. No. Okay. So, okay. Now it has, as it said, junk files were cleared, items were optimized, disk defrag. I'm not sure at this point how much of this is going to help. There's also the ability, sorry, they've changed this software a lot over the years, so I'm a little lost to be perfectly honest. But what else are we going to do? There's a registry defrag. If I could find that, I think it's under, let's get rid of Tweak Manager. Yes, all tools, registry cleaner, which we already did that. Now they have a registry defrag. You can defrag the registry, and so we're going to do that. Also, while we do that, in the last video we did not do any, we did not totally disable Windows Defender. We could have, but we didn't. There's an option for it in Tweak Manager. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do Windows S and task scheduler. And so here what we can do is we go task scheduler. I'm going to make this a little bigger. Task scheduler library. And we're going to go to Microsoft, Windows Defender. Let me open this up. These are all bullshit things that run in the background that you might not want running in the background if you are benching or gaming and it decides it wants to run a scan. So we're just right click and disable. And that's done. So the possible optimization, it says it can reduce the size of the registry by some 700 kilobytes and increase registry access speed by approximately 1%. It's not worth doing. Sometimes on some systems when they've been running for a while, that actually does help. So I'm going to exit BoostSpeed, and the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys, if you ever have any trouble with startup programs that won't go away, I'm going to download something called Autoruns. This is made by and approved and allowed by Microsoft. Where's the downloads? I don't use Edge. Oh my god, where'd it go? Okay, let's just hope it went to downloads here. Yep, Autoruns. So what you want to do, you can just run it from within a zip, is run Autoruns 64, and you got to agree to the license terms. And now this is a very interesting application, as we can see. It's still loading. These are all things that are set to run on startup. I don't really touch much of them unless something worms its way onto my PC and is starting up with it, and I don't want to. Like there's some like the Nehemic server or whatever that is a sound driver for Asus motherboards. It installs software called Sonic something or other, and it will run in your system tray on reboot, and you can go in here and get rid of it. It also highlights things that you should not like disable, but you can do, like when log on, there's just so many tabs here, services maybe that you don't want, like Edge Update. That I think covers everything that I want to go over. I hope you find this video useful. This is pretty much how I fully tweak Windows and have done so since like 2009, except only found out about winaerotweaker recently, as well as I've known about Autoruns forever. But I'm going to shut the VM down, and I think that's going to be the end of the video. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'm signing off.